Hello, TraderTix here. Today is 9th of January 2024, and with this video I'll talk about BTC and the potential outcomes of ETF decisions coming from the Security and Exchange Commission tomorrow. I'll cover the bullish and also the bearish scenario because I believe that the bearish scenario is very possible despite the fact that everyone thinks that ETFs will be approved tomorrow and of course the price to go to the moon. And actually that's the problem, because a lot of people are stepping into crypto now and they will position themselves in the worst moment on top of the move. The problem is that the mainstream media is covering crypto very well recently, especially in the last 2 months. And once you step into the crypto industry and everywhere you look, in every direction, there are news about how the ETFs will be approved in January. And the sentiment about ETF approvals is around 80%. Therefore, 80% of the crypto industry believes that ETFs will be approved tomorrow. And that hype lead into this bull leg here. We're sitting at 47k. Just think about it. The majority of the ETF hype was already priced in. Therefore, we'll talk about the bullish scenario first. Therefore, even if we get approval tomorrow, yes, we will see a price pump, but that price pump is not going to the moon, definitely. Maybe we'll see 60k, maybe we'll see the price puncture that, but we'll get a pullback after that. We will get a pullback. It's too soon. We haven't experienced the halving yet, and this pullback might go down into the 40k. After that halving, and then maybe the bull cycle, if we experience one, will start, and that will be probably around the summer, maybe September 2024. Because probably the interest rate will get a pause and they'll start decreasing later this year, so that will turn on the money printer and pretty much the risk assets will start to go up and everything will line up perfectly with the so anticipated bull run. So those of you who think to position themselves now, be very careful. And if you are positioned already in those high prices, your best scenario is this: ETF approval, price pump. Make sure to get out on the price pump because pullback is coming. 100% there will be a pullback before the bull cycle. This pump is very big. If we get approval and an additional pump, there will be too much money in. People will start to take profits and will experience a pullback. But I think that the bearish scenario is the more interesting one because it's not very expected. As I said, 80% of the people expect ETFs to be approved. And I believe that the bearish scenario is very possible. So what will happen if we get a rejection on the ETFs? There will be a dump. And it's going to be a massive one because everyone was pumping crypto for the last 2 months. All those fake prices here will just get evaporated and we'll get a massive dump. And that dump, if you're still wondering why this box is here, I believe that that dump can go down to those price levels, which is around 30k. The box is starting from 34k and it's going down to 29, a little bit under 29k. This is where the real support is. This is the place where most of the people will start to buy again. Those are the prices which everyone who's in 50% of their capital will start to add on their back. So my humble opinion is that if you are currently entering into crypto or you're coming back to crypto on those high prices expecting ETFs, you should think twice because bear scenario is very possible as well. By the way, if we get the bottom and the current leg top, 31.5 is the middle of this big price swing. And if you're into trading, you know that we kind of expect 50% pullbacks on massive moves. So that's my opinion on what will happen if we get ETF approval tomorrow or ETF rejection tomorrow. Thanks for watching, stay safe and try to take educated but not hype driven decisions. I'll see you all with the next one.